Hey there, William here. Today, I'm revealing exactly how I earn $1,000 every single month with affiliate marketing, and the crazy part? It only takes a few hours a week. Sounds unbelievable, right? But stick with me, because I'm going to break down the exact steps I use. And later, I'll share a simple trick that increased my affiliate earnings overnight. If you're new to affiliate marketing, here's the basic idea. You recommend a product or service, and when someone buys through your special link, you get paid a commission. No inventory, no customer service, just passive income. But how exactly do you go from $0 to $1,000 every month? Let's dive right in. The first and most crucial step is choosing the right niche. Now, here's a quick heads up. Most people mess up right here. They pick something way too broad, like fitness or finance, and wonder why they're not seeing any results. But here's the trick. Nudge down. Instead of fitness, pick something specific, like home yoga for busy moms. By choosing a hyper-specific niche, you immediately stand out. But why does niching down matter so much? Well, because when you target a specific audience, you speak directly to them, and your recommendations become way more valuable. And trust me, valuable equals profitable. But hold up, how do you actually find that perfect niche? Here's what I do. I go straight to Google Trends or YouTube and start typing in ideas to see what's trending. Then I ask myself, can I create regular, helpful content around this topic? If the answer is yes, you're onto something big. Now, choosing your niche is just the beginning. Next up, you need affiliate products to promote. But be careful. This is another spot where most beginners get stuck. They'll pick products that don't align perfectly with their niche. So, how do you choose winning affiliate products? My strategy is simple. Look for products that already sell well, have great reviews, and offer generous commissions. Websites like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or Impact have thousands of products you can start promoting today. But here's a little secret. Digital products and software subscriptions usually offer higher commissions. Think online courses, software tools, or subscription boxes. These can earn you recurring monthly income, meaning the customer keeps paying and you keep earning. Pretty cool, right? But how exactly do you get people to buy these products through your links? Well, that's where creating valuable content comes in. And here's something most affiliate marketers won't tell you. You don't need a huge following or tons of subscribers to start earning. You just need the right strategy. Here's mine. I focus on creating content that solves a specific problem. Let's say your niche is home yoga for busy moms. Create videos, blog posts, or even short social media content that directly helps these moms solve their daily struggles. Quick routines, stress relief exercises, or product reviews of yoga mats and accessories. Provide genuine value first, and your audience will naturally trust your recommendations. But here's a critical tip. Don't oversell. Nobody likes feeling like they're being pushed into buying something. Your goal is to educate and inform, subtly guiding your audience towards making a decision on their own. So when they click that link, they're confident and ready to buy. Now, remember how I mentioned a simple trick earlier that instantly boosted my earnings? I'm going to reveal exactly what it is in just a moment. But first, let's quickly talk about where you should put your affiliate links for maximum results. YouTube descriptions, pinned comments, blog posts, and even social media bios. These are all fantastic places to place your links. But my favorite and most underrated method is creating a dedicated resources page or guide. This one single page can dramatically increase your conversions. Why? Because it positions you as an expert, someone who's done the research, saving your audience valuable time. But here's the twist. Not all affiliate links are created equal. Some links simply perform better than others. Ever wonder why some affiliate marketers make thousands while others barely scrape by? It's all about how you position your offers and where you place those links. So how exactly do you turn ordinary affiliate links into irresistible clicks that convert every time? Well, I'm about to reveal that simple yet game-changing trick I promised earlier. It's something I've tested extensively, and every single time it significantly boosts my affiliate income. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could literally double your affiliate earnings overnight. And no, I'm not exaggerating. Here's the trick. Create genuine urgency around your affiliate offers by leveraging limited time promotions or special bonuses. Sounds simple, right? Yet, most affiliate marketers completely overlook this powerful tactic. Let me show you exactly how it works. Whenever you promote a product, check if the company offers special promotions, sales, or limited time deals. If they do, let your audience know immediately through email, social media posts, or even quick announcement videos. Clearly mention that the offer is time-sensitive. Why does this work so well? Because human psychology thrives on scarcity and urgency. When your audience sees there's a limited time or exclusive deal, they're far more likely to click your link and buy right away. But what if there's no official promotion going on? Here's a clever workaround. Create your own unique bonuses. For instance, offer a special guide, PDF checklist, or exclusive video tutorial as a bonus for anyone who buys through your link. All they need to do is email you their receipt to receive it. Not only does this boost conversions massively, but it also gives your audience extra value, further building trust and loyalty. Now, let's quickly address one more important aspect: tracking your affiliate marketing results. Because here's the thing, if you're not tracking your clicks, sales, and conversions, you're leaving money on the table. Many affiliate networks provide built-in tracking tools, but you can also use external platforms like Bitly or ClickMeter. This allows you to see exactly what's working and what's not. For example, if you notice a particular product is converting exceptionally well, double down on creating more content around it. This kind of strategic insight can rapidly scale your earnings. And speaking of scaling, how do you actually grow your affiliate income to go beyond $1,000 per month? The answer is simple. Rinse and repeat your successful strategies, but diversify across multiple niches and platforms. Once you've mastered one niche, branch out to similar or complementary topics. If you're successful with yoga for busy moms, you might explore wellness products, meal prep subscriptions, or stress relief gadgets. This diversification protects your income streams and significantly increases your earning potential. But before you jump into scaling, make sure your initial affiliate funnel is fully optimized. What do I mean by affiliate funnel? Simply put, it's the journey your audience takes from discovering your content to making a purchase. A well-designed funnel smoothly guides them from curiosity to buying decision. Here's a quick example. Someone finds your yoga tutorial, subscribes for more valuable content, and eventually clicks your link for a recommended yoga mat. Once you've perfected this funnel, scaling becomes a straightforward process. Now, let's quickly touch on common affiliate marketing pitfalls and how you can easily avoid them. The number one mistake beginners make is giving up too soon. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Most people don't see immediate results and wrongly assume it's not working. Instead, commit to consistently creating valuable content for at least 3 months before evaluating your results. The truth is, persistence pays off massively in this industry. Another common mistake is promoting too many products at once. It might seem logical to cast a wide net, but it usually confuses your audience and dilutes your message. Instead, start by promoting just a handful of carefully selected products, ones you personally trust and can honestly recommend. Quality always beats quantity. Finally, always remember, affiliate marketing success is built on trust. The more transparent, genuine, and helpful you are, the more successful you'll become. Audiences can sense authenticity, and it's your most valuable asset as an affiliate marketer. So, there you have it. The exact steps and strategies I personally use to generate $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. From choosing the perfect niche, selecting high-performing products, creating valuable content, to leveraging urgency and bonuses, you've now got a complete blueprint for success. If you're ready to start seeing real results, take action on what you've learned today. Remember, passive income doesn't happen overnight, but every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Keep testing, stay persistent, and soon enough, you'll be amazed at what's possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.